Herkese Walking Dead'in ikinci bölümünden merhaba arkadaşlar. Yeni bir güne kaldığımız yerden devam ediyoruz. Oyuna devam et.
Hey, get up.
I'm itchy.
Oh, you slept in a barn, little lady. Lucky you don't have spiders in your hair. But I bet your daddy scared them all away, huh? I'm not her dad.
Herkes de babası sanıyor, ciddiyim yani. Ben babası değilim bu kızın.
Tractor and everything.
We better get going, or we won't hear the end of it. That's my boy, Ken Jr. Call him Duck, though.
Duck'ın bu oyundaki işlevi konusunda
Why do parents name their kids Duck? We're from Fort Lauderdale. We were on our way back before things up and went bananas. The word is you were on your way to Macon.
My family's from there.
Well, Macon's on the way, and personally, I appreciate the company of a guy who can knock a couple of heads together if he has to.
kıza
See
sorayım.
what the girl was like.
Ah, gotta consult the missus. I understand. Honey, Duck, this is Lee. And, what's the girl's name?
Clementine.
Clementine.
That is a very pretty name.
Thanks.
Well, we should get to work. We've all seen what those things can do out there, so the faster we get this fence up, the better.
I want to build a fence.
Yeah? Well, I need a good foreman. You can sit on the tractor and yell at me whenever I take a water break.
On a tractor? Cool.
Cool.
Do it.
Duck'ı hiç sevmiyorum arkadaşlar. Gerçekten.
I
Çünkü
can keep an eye on your little girl here on the porch. We can visit.
bu zaman geçirelim, tamam. Ha, Duck'ı böyle seven Walking Dead oyuncuları var, bir de sevmeyen var. Ben kesinlikle sevmeyenlerdenim. Sizinle bir konuşayım mı? Gelin. Merhaba.
You having a nice time with Katya Clementine?
Yeah.
Of, sohbetine de doyum olmuyor Clementine, ne çok konuştuk. Gel Katja'yla konuşayım.
Hey there, girls.
Heh.
So, what do you do when corpses aren't walking around?
I'm a veterinarian back in Fort Lauderdale, like Herschel here, except more with dogs and cats and not horses. What is it that you do, Lee?
I used to teach up at the University of Georgia.
We need to hope that we can go back to our jobs.
Ya,
someday.
ya,
Back to normal.
ya,
It can't stay like this.
ya öyle. Evet Katja.
No, I used to. I was let go a little while back.
That's too bad. Well, I hear people always clamor back to college after a big disaster. People don't want to die ignorant, I guess.
Şehir nasıl?
How did you handle getting through the city?
Kenny just drove. We passed so many people that needed help, and we just passed people over some. Just
Mizan'ın üzerinden mi geçtiniz?
It's
Oha.
okay. It's fine. You don't have to say anymore.
I want to go home tomorrow. But even then I can't take away the things Doc went through. Don't you want to go back to the moment before you knew about all of this?
Vallahi hapishaneye gidiyordum, o yüzden. Neyse.
Anybody in their right mind would. Families and barbecues and beers with good
Bir de ben
friends.
hapishaneye
All
gidiyordum
of
yani.
those things.
Ve adam
Those are the
öldürmekten
things we live
sanırım.
for, right? With those gone, what's the point?
Rahatlamış
You
görünüyorsun.
two actually look relaxed.
I think we're doing just fine. Clementine was just telling me about first grade.
Oh, how was that?
It's easy.
Well, yeah.
Yok canım.
So, you're good?
Anyway, it's almost like we didn't see people eating each other for the past 3 days. It's peaceful here, huh?
Back in a bit.
Okay, Lee.
Clementine 1. sınıf öğrencisiymiş. Okey. Clementine 8 yaşındaydın değil mi?
Seems like those two are getting along.
Okey. Merhaba. Kenny.
It's not the most reliable pickup in the world, but it gets the job done.
Bir konuşalım mı?
Hey there, Kenny.
Planın
So what's
nedir?
your family's plan?
Get back on down to Lauderdale and let this mess get sorted out.
Ya.
Government will start handing out shots and the National Guard will do its thing. On the odd chance things got too bad, we could hop on my boat, I guess.
Of boat.
You've got a boat.
I'm a commercial fisherman, catching mackerel, dolphin, whatever's biting and paying.
Yunus avlıyor
Gotcha
Kenny
wouldn't be wild
arkadaşlar.
about it, but the boat's not that bad.
Tekneye binmek mantıklı
I think I
gerçekten.
got it. Do
Tamam.
you need any help?
What do you mean?
I mean in taking care of that little girl. You know what you're doing? You got kids of your own?
Çocuğum yok, hiçbir fikrim yok, iyiyim.
I
İyiyim.
think I've got it handled okay. As long as I keep her safe, I think I'm doing all right.
With those things out there, maybe. Sure, that's enough. But you gotta ask yourself if you're the type of guy who can do better than that if your
Tabii
parents don't
ki.
show up.
Benden bahsediyorsun.
I'll keep that.
İleride göreceksin kendini, merak etme. Oğlun ne durumda?
How's your son doing?
Good, I think. Kachi's got a sister up in Memphis. We were coming back from visiting her. We were in a gas station and some guy grabbed my boy. I thought he was kidnapping him. I was on the fucker in about 2 seconds and... Christ. Just lucky I was there. We saw a lot of bodies before we stumbled upon Herschel's. We're a tough family, Lee. Ain't nothing gonna faze us.
See you.
Görüşürüz Kenny. Bunları seninle tekrar konuşacağız, merak etme. Şimdi ne oldu? Neyse. Herschel'ın çiftliği de ne kadar güzelmiş. Böyle huzurlu huzurlu. Şuna bir bakalım.
Do you think this thing will keep him out?
Not yet. I'm planning on coming back through on a fortification pass, if you will.
İstihkam geçidi. O ne demek lan?
You know how to drive it?
Sure don't. I can give you a hell of a critique of the U.S. Farm Bill, though.
I'm good.
Amerikan tarım politikası.
How you doing, Doc?
Good. I'm gonna drive the tractor. I'm the foreman.
Salak ya.
Lift with your back, Sean.
Ya bu çocuk tam bir salak arkadaşlar.
Hey, Lee.
Yardım lazım mı?
Need a hand?
That'd be great. If you could cut those 2 bites to length, that'd sure speed things up.
Keserim. Daha köpek kulübesi var.
My dad doesn't know how bad it is.
No, he doesn't.
I saw a guy in Atlanta kill a kid. A boy. Just shot him right in the face.
Çocuk aylaklardan biri miydi?
One of the walkers?
I don't even know. He was either attacking the guy or asking for help. He didn't even hesitate. He just turned, put the barrel of the gun right between the kid's eyes, and pulled the trigger. You don't see things like that. It's not like in the movies.
They don't fall like you think.
Did you have to do it?
Do what?
Kill. Have you had to off one yet?
Oh,
Evet. Evet.
I had to shoot one.
I could shoot one, maybe, if it were far away. I'm just glad we're getting this fence built.
Şan bunu
Dad just wants to
unutmayacak.
keep the family safe and thinks
Şan
about
eminim
it.
emekliliğinde de bizi
Maybe
düşünecek.
threat than whatever's out there. How about yours? How's your family?
Lee galiba aynı şeyi kesip duruyor bu arada. Ailemle kardeşim Macon'la.
I hope.
No man, I hope so.
Lee aynı tahtaya kesiyor 3 saattir arkadaşlar. Bak şimdi.
That's probably all I need cut for now. Thanks.
Bakıyoruz orada bir şey var mı? Bakamadım iyi mi?
And Sean, thanks again for the ride.
No problem, Lee. Couldn't leave you behind.
Ama çok
Anyway,
sıcak.
when you see my dad around, he might want some help in the barn.
Tamam gidip babanla da bir görüşeyim. Baban da dünyanın en sevecen insanı ya Şan valla. Ha gerçekten kesmişim ha neyse. Günahını aldım şeyin. Oyun. Ha buraya gelirmiyor mu? Ha buraya nasıl geldim? Buraya nasıl? Neyse. Bir şey sorgulamıyorum. Merhaba Herschel. Hello.
How'd you get out of Atlanta?
Arabadaydım.
I got a ride and then I was in a wreck. I walked until your boy found me.
Well, you're no worse for wear.
This farm's a
Ne demeye
nice farm away.
çalışıyorsun?
Had you told me 20 years ago I'd still be doing this, I would have told you that you were full of crap. Never was the plan, having a place like this. It was in the family, and I guess so was I. Family's important. It's all that matters. You agree
Evet
with
aile
that?
önemli arkadaşlar.
Was brought up to, yes.
Where's your family now?
Macon.
Parents? Wife? Girlfriend?
Ailem Macon'da.
My parents are in Macon with my brother.
Well, I hope they're all right. But now you got this little girl to take care of. Clementine, is it? You just stumbled up on her?
I was being attacked and she...
Neyse gıcıklık yapmayalım şimdi. Zaten kendisi gıcık. Bir de bize bir şey yapmamıza gerek yok.
Can I give you a piece of advice?
What is it?
I don't know who you are or what you did. Let's say things don't get better back in the cities, or they get worse before they do. You're gonna have to depend on the honesty of strangers if you're gonna make it. And if those same people get to questioning you,
Ben bu adama yalan söylemedim ki şimdiye kadar. Hep doğruyu söyledim. Hatta fazla bile söyledim doğruyu.
start checking the attitude, friend.
Go! I'll get my gun!
Aşkına. Clementine'i alsan. Clementine niye izliyor bu olayı ya? Bu anı hatırlıyorum arkadaşlar. Ya, Şan'a yardım etmek istiyorum ama Dak çocuk arkadaşlar, üzgünüm. Bir daha vurma almasın. Üf. Öldürdüm yalnız bir yumrukla zombi. Gerizekalı Dak traktörü çocuğun ayağına sürmüş. Ya yazık ya. Şu Clementine'i alsa Allah'ım ya Rabbim ya. Kaçça güya Clementine'i göz kulak olacaksın ya. Kız neler yaşıyor. Daha yeni yani. Oyunu daha yeni açtık.
I'm sorry. Sorry? Your son is alive. You don't get to be sorry. And you didn't even try to help.
Çocuk için. İkisine de yardım edebilirim sandım.
I thought I could help them both.
Look at him. You thought wrong. And now?
Please. Just go. Get out and never come back.
Ya ne yapayım Allah Allah. Sessizlik.
You've got that ride to make it if you want.
Rock in a hard place achievement'ı. Neyse. Evet, Kenny'lerle beraber Macon'a gidiyoruz bu olayın sonucunda. Burada bildiğim kadarıyla Sean'ı kurtaramıyoruz yani. Öyle bir şey yok. Sean illaki ölüyor. O yüzden Duck'ı kurtarmaya çalışmak daha mantıklı. Hem Kenny bize dost oluyor.
And it's far enough.
Ha, benzinimiz bitti. Benim de uykum var ya. Herhalde uykumu alamadım. Drugs. Geri zekalı.
Hey there!
Geri zekalı.
Truck's run out of gas.
Al işte. Aa. Ve anında milyonlarca zombi spawn olur. Helal olsun. Güzel vuruştu Carly. Ama şimdi tabii herkes tehlikede oldu. Maalesef.
Take risks like this. And we can't just let people die either. When I say that door stays shut no matter what, I fucking mean it. We don't know who these people are. They could be dangerous.
Lan senden daha sevdi.
Put a lot of right to us.
Where the hell is your humanity?
We have kids with us.
I see one little girl.
Dak da var geri zekalı.
What is it?
I have to pee.
I'd go out there again in a second.
I bet you would. You're a dumb, careless kid.
In a minute, Clem.
They've got kids, Lily.
Those things outside don't care.
Maybe you should go join them then. You'll have something in common. God damn it, Lily. You have to control these people.
Carly and Glenn just ran out there.
She's not wrong. They took a risk.
Yes, we did.
And we appreciate it. Let's settle down.
Holy shit.
Son of a bitch. One of them is bitten.
Ya Allah. Hayır.
Wasn't bitten. Hell, he wasn't. We have to end this now. Over my dead body, we'll dig one hole.
No, I'm cleaning him up. There's no bite. He's fine.
Don't you fucking people get it? We've already seen this.
Bu adam var ya of. Lady.
We all end up bitten. Shut up. We gotta throw him out or smash his head in.
Penny, stop him!
Hey, what do we do about this guy?
Dad, it's just a boy. It's
Lily, I'll handle
with
this.
your heart, Dad.
Ya o ya da Dak. Onunla anlaşacağız.
Reason with him. The bloody end of it.
Ne demek ki? Ne?
Nobody threatens my boy.
Anlaşacağız diyorum. İkisinin de ortasını bulmaya çalışıyorum.
Anything.
Shut up, Lily. And you, shut the fuck up. They will find us.
Şu anda ciddi misin? İnşaatçı. Gerçekten mi? Şu anda mı? Evet, seslerin kesildiğini umarak geri dönüyoruz kayda.
They will get in here, and none of this will
Şunu çeker misin? Bu ne?
But right now, we're about to be trapped in here with one of those things. What the hell are you talking about? He's bitten. That's how you turn.
Ha tabii biz daha bilmiyoruz değil mi hiçbir şey ya?
Please stop this. It's upsetting him.
Oh, I'm upsetting him. Upsetting is getting eaten alive. What if this was your daughter? Never would have happened. She's not some snot-nosed toddler, okay? She's United States Air Force.
Sümüklü bir kurbağa ne lan?
I'm gonna kill him, Cat. Just worry about Duck.
Lee,
Yeah?
Clementine Allah
there's
aşkına.
someone in there.
It's just locked. Key's behind the counter. Probably. Hey, I'm not the bad guy here. I'm just looking out for my daughter. No, you're just the guy arguing for killing a kid. He's covered in muck. She'll find the body.
Ya ciddi misin? Şu anda ciddi misiniz? Aman tanrım ya. İnşallah ses gelmiyordur deyip kayda devam edeceğim. Oturduğum yerde 2 aydır süren bir mantolama böyle bir tadilat bir şey işlemi var da. Ve tam da şu anda benim odamın dışındaki duvarı yapıyorlar.
First thing he'll do is
Hava da çok
stick his
sıcak. Ay.
teeth into his mom's face.
Anladık ya.
Once she's dead,
Ne söylesen onu yapıyoruz olmaz. O sadece bir çocuk.
I think we can handle it.
a little
Yani halledemeyiz ama
be
olsun.
an uncontrollable man-eater.
It's not gonna happen. It is. And we're tossing him out now.
Ya hayır dedik. Hayır durdur onu üzgünüm Kenny. Haklısın. Hayır.
No. Don't touch
Vur
that.
ona Kenny.
Don't touch anybody. I've got a little girl I'm trying to protect in here too. You wanna get violent, you old fuck? Well,
Yaşlı
come on.
sikik.
You better have a plan to kill me though, because it's me before anyone else in here.
Allah'ım ne tepki verdin Lee sen de. Jesus. Bir yardım etsenize kıza. Hiçbir şey göremiyorum, hiçbir şey göremiyorum. Kurtar Clementine. Benim de şu anda ölmüyor Allah. Aa! Tamam. Carly miydi vuran? Ah, adamsın be Carly, seni seviyorum.
You okay?
Just great, thanks.
Harikayım sağ ol.
Guys,
Everybody down. Stay quiet.
They're gonna get in. Shut up.
İnşallah girmeyecekler lan. Düzgün konuşun.
Is that the military?
I don't know.
thank God for whatever it is.
We almost died.
Valla taramalıları var ama.
Trigger finger. That was stupid. That was
Al işte. Bunun da kalp hastalığı mı var? Ne? Bunun nesi var? Sakin olmasını söylemiştim.
What's wrong with it?
It's his heart.
Kalbi var.
Nitroglycerin pills? Yes.
Nitrogliserin pili
We've
ne?
been trying to get into the pharmacy since we got here. Please try to get in there. Behind the counter where the pills are.
Ha şey mi orası?
What are we looking for?
We need nitroglycerin pills. Please get in there. I'll keep an eye on my dad.
Everyone else should get comfy and look for anything useful. We could be in here a while.
I'm starting to think this drugstore isn't a permanent solution.
You're
E
right.
zaten.
This ain't exactly Fort Knox.
What do you suggest?
We need as much gas as possible so we can all get out of downtown naked. Fast.
Agreed.
And I'll head out and get gas. There's a motel not too far from here, out towards the end of Peachtree. I'll work my way towards it and then loop back, siphoning what I can.
You know your way around?
Buralı değil mi Glenn?
Born and
Aynen.
raised.
If you're gonna do that, here's a walkie-talkie if you get in a tight spot. Hopefully, you won't need it.
Cool.
Clementine's got the other one. Check in with her and get back here as soon as you can.
And you, what's your name?
It's Lily. My dad's Lily.
Lili ile Larry.
Keep a good eye on him. These boys will work on getting you your medicine.
That's right.
And you keep an eye on that front door. You're our lookout. It's Doug. You got it.
And I'm Carly.
Okay, Carly. You'll shift in with Doug when he needs it. For now, get some rest. You're a good shot. I'd like to keep it that way.
You got it, boss.
Now,
Roll
get
call.
those
Herkesin adını öğrendik. Oley. Kaç saat? Saat kaç olmuş? Bakalım. 22 dakika olmuş. Hadi biraz daha devam edelim.
Central High Tech State. Papers a week old. Feels like years.
Ya da devam etmeyelim. Ben şu lanet olası... Neyse. Sesi halledebilseydim. Ay. The IT guy. Ne yazıyor orada? The IT guy. The IT guy. Don't delay call today. Sizinle konuşacağım birazdan, bir dakika. Önce bir etrafı inceleyelim. Fotoğraflara falan bakalım.
No, I'm sorry to hear your loved one was eaten by the living dead guards.
Ay ne kadar komiksin Lee. Of.
We can't let anything happen to Ducky.
I know, hon.
Hay. Okunmuyor zaten küpürler.
I don't remember them very well.
Onları. Ha,
Just need
doğru.
to get back to Fort Lauderdale.
We'll do our
Lauderdale
best.
kalesi değil oranın adı. Lauderdale, Fort Lauderdale bir tane şey değil mi?
Well, did now.
Eyalet değil mi? Eyalet gibi bir şey işte Amerika'da. Burada ne var? Bir dakika. Burada enerji barı var aynen. Sana enerji barı vermeyeceğim. Salak ya bu da. Ay gıcık oluyorum. Başka enerji barı var mı? Allah'ın işte yerde. Bankamatiğe bakalım.
It's not
Bu
bad.
ses beni çok sinir ediyor yalnız.
This place didn't get looted.
Clementine merhaba, nasılsın, iyi misin?
Hey there.
Hi.
Sana bir şey getireyim mi?
Get you anything?
I'm okay. Maybe I'm a little hungry.
Enerji barı yersin
I'll see
birazdan.
about that. Any word from Ben?
Nothing. Is he okay?
Yeah, I think so. You're doing a good job. So,
Are you okay?
what? Yeah, I'm fine. I just, I'm good.
That's good.
Niye bu kadar tuhafsınız?
Being good is good, despite the circumstances.
Evet Lee.
Yep.
Çok akıllıca konuşuyorsun bugün.
Sit tight.
Okay.
Ne, sana enerji barını vereyim de.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Of course.
Clementine ile ilgilendim. Kapı mı?
The pills are in there.
Ha. Sizinle bir konuşayım hadi bakalım.
How's it doing?
I'm not sure I got her name.
It's Lee.
Lily. My dad's Lily.
Üçümüz de L ile başlıyoruz. Niye arkadaş
I
olmayalım?
was just doing what I had to earlier.
Everyone was.
Now Tom's acting up again and I'm powerless to do anything. My violence before
Sakin olması lazım arkadaşım.
didn't help.
Buralı mısın?
You're from here?
I work at Warner Robins, the Air Force Base.
Yeah, I know it. Pilot?
Nah, it's just mechanical admin stuff. I deal with a bunch
Kız
of
ordudan.
shitheads bureaucrats all day. Sometimes a plane if I'm lucky. You?
I woke up at UGA. Was anyone here when you guys got here?
No, this place was pretty wrecked. We pulled a couple of bodies out of the office. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Did you know anybody here?
Yeah, the owners, we were close.
I'm sorry. We found an older couple in the office. Dad hauled them out in case they weren't.
Ya bu babam var ya bak. Öf. Keşke böyle ona hapları bulmama şansım olsa. Öyle bir şey olsa falan.
He's got a heart condition. He takes nitroglycerin tablets pretty regularly. I've seen a few bad attacks that he couldn't get over and needed to go to the hospital.
Yeah, that's not really an option right now.
I'm just trying to keep him relaxed.
What do you think about all this?
What is there to think? The dead are up, walking around, eating people, and turning them into more of them. I mean, Jesus.
Jesus.
Together and get through this.
Herkes ne kadar Amerikan. Sinir sorunu var demeyeceğim. Şimdi gıcıklık yapmak istemiyorum. Şey ister misin? Yemek.
It's not much, but here,
You sure?
yeah, you're under quite a bit of stress.
Thanks. That's really sweet.
Don't mention it.
Of ne kadar iyiyim. Niye sana verdim bilmiyorum. Bir de gidip Duck'la konuşayım. Sonra bir de Duck'a vereyim.
How can I with those things out there?
Hey, Lee.
Merhaba, ne habersiniz?
Haley gave that old man hell.
Yeah, we got pushed, you know.
You don't have to tell me. I was ready to tear the man's head off. Anyway, we, Kat and I, appreciate your support.
Thank you, Lee.
Teşekkürler arkadaş. İyi
You
misiniz?
guys all right?
We're just fine, considering.
How about you, Duck?
We've all been through a lot.
How's Duck doing?
10 kere Duck'ı sormuş onu.
It's just a shock.
We're lucky as hell nobody got nabbed on the way in here.
Little kid.
How's she doing?
Niye tek başına oturuyor anlamıyorum.
She's good, I think.
She's a tough one right there.
She's just a little girl, Ken.
You saying, Lee, she spent days surviving on her own?
Nasıl da hayatta kalmış, yemek falan yok.
Not just any little girl can do that.
Plan ne?
Hang tight, I suppose. Seems pretty dangerous out there, so we ought to wait for things to clear up.
Siz zaten bekleyin, her bir şeyi ben halledeyim, tamam mı?
Here in Macon?
That's right.
Macon.
Where are they? Should we go looking for them?
Buraya sahiptiler.
They own this place. They pulled some bodies out of the office before we got here. They're gone.
Oh, sweetie.
Cat,
They were good people. I wasn't around much, but
Hmm.
they did.
Lee, you got a second?
Sure.
Ne?
Back on Herschel's farm.
Yeah.
We didn't even try to save him. That blood is on our hands, you know?
Ne alakası var lan?
Pretty fast.
Yes. I can't stop seeing it in my head.
We can't kill ourselves.
We killed that boy. We could have saved him together.
Vallahi sen kaçmasaydın kurtarırdık. Sen alıp götürdün Duck'ı.
Choice to kill Sean.
Evet, Sean'ı öldüren tercihi ben verdim.
Back on it. But in a moment, when things are really out of control, you don't have any choice.
I guess.
Çok derin konuştun Lee. Teselli?
Try to let it go.
Of, nasıl da teselli ettim. Unutmaya çalış, kafana takma. Geçer, boş ver. Size bir enerji varı vereyim de keyfiniz yerinize gelsin. Keyfiniz yerine gelsin.
It's not much, but here, for the boy.
Oh, thanks, Lee. He appreciates it.
That's sweet, Lee.
Of, müthişim. Konuşmadığım kim var? Duck mı? Ha, Doug. Doug'la konuşmadık.
Heard or seen anything?
Nothing, luckily. Wanna step outside, have a look around?
I'm not suicidal yet.
No, the gate out there is closed. We can hang out in front of the store and be fine.
Şimdi değil ya.
Not right now.
All right, let me know if you want to.
Seninle konuşamıyor muyum ayrıca, tamam da. Hah, Carly ya, gel. Senin bir tane görevin vardı ufaktan.
Well, you don't fuck fuck with a reporter, especially one that's 3 days out from her last cup of coffee.
You seem to handle yourself pretty well.
Allah silah kullanan.
A disaster.
I can't tell.
My news editor was eaten about 5 feet away from me, and I would have joined her if it wasn't for that dorky guy on watch over there.
I'm sorry.
She was an asshole, but, you know.
Yeah. That guy saved you?
Ne ezdiniz Doug'u
Can
ya?
you believe it? Those creeps or ghouls or whatever the hell they are.
Sürüngenler.
They were pulling our van apart, and that guy, Doug, just came to the rescue.
You can never tell who the heroic ones are gonna be, I suppose.
He's kind of cute, in that parents' basement sort of way.
Huh?
Huh? Oh, nothing.
Aa Carly Doug'a aşık. Buraya nasıl
How did
geldin?
you end up here?
We drove up to cover the Cherry Blossom Festival. Real hard-hitting stuff.
Kiraz yetiştirme festivali.
What are you messing around with there?
A radio. I can't get it to work though.
Here, let me have a look.
Pili yok pili. Pili yoktur. Çevir radyoyu. Al işte.
There are no batteries in this thing.
What now?
Do you know that there are no batteries in that thing?
Yeah, of course.
Carly mal mısın?
Yeah. No.
Salak ya.
So, these two.
Thanks. I wouldn't even really know what to look for.
O kadar haberci falansın. Ne demek bilmiyorum. Neyse arkadaşlar. Ben bu bölümü burada bitireyim. Hazır buralarda da geziyorken. Bir sonraki bölümde Carly'nin radyosunu çözeceğiz. Sonra artık neydi? Ha, hap arıyorduk değil mi biz? Hap bulacağız eczaneden. Burada pil varmış, onu da alalım. Ya da dur almayalım. Neyse. İzlediğiniz için teşekkür ederim. Hoşunuza gittiyse beğenmeyi unutmayın. Ne düşündüğünüzle ilgili aşağıya yorum yapabilirsiniz. Yorumlarda hani çoğu kişinin bildiğini düşünüyorum hikayeyi. Spoiler vermemeye çalışın. Eğer izlemeyenler ya da işte oynamayanlar varsa diye. Bu kadar. Herkese iyi oyunlar. Başka bir bölümde görüşmek üzere.